Okay. What were you saying?
If smoky comes in your eyes, it might hurt. And if smoky will come in your mouth, smoky might make you sick.
Smoky's not good. Not anywhere.
No. If you smoke outside or in your house, coming in your eyes, it might hurt.
Yeah, I think that would hurt.
And you might go to the doctor to get a shot.
Let's get a shot. Does the shot fix the smokiness?
No.
No? What happens?
It might hurt.
Yeah, it probably would hurt.
If the doctor shots it in your eye, it might look like a hole.
Yeah, I think that would hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I shouldn't tackle you.
That would be bad.
Yeah.
Would it fix the smokiness though?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Fix the smoky is.
Okay.
Now that's done.
That's done? Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Let's see what's happening over here. Oh. Hi. Hi. Lily, what are you doing? What are you guys doing?
Maybe they're fighting.
Maybe they're fighting.
Were you two fighting? And I give my golf club back.
No, don't get your golf club out.